In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Mailchimp plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into the process. First, you want to launch your Mailchimp account and head over to your dashboard. Look at the bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar and you'll notice a button that says Upgrade Now. Go ahead and click on that button. It's pretty straightforward, but it's the first step to enhancing your Mailchimp experience. Once you've clicked on Upgrade Now, you'll be greeted with a comparison of the different plan tiers available. So depending on your needs, you will typically see 4 options: Free, Essentials, Standard, and Premium. Take a moment to review the specific features of each plan. This is really important because different plans offer different benefits. Some plans give you access to advanced audience insights, while others allow you to run retargeting ads or collaborate with more team members through user seats. Think about what features are essential for your business and pick a plan that fits your needs best. Now, as you're browsing through these options, keep one thing in mind. Your monthly price will change depending on the size of your contact list. That means, as you decide on a plan, you might also want to adjust how many contacts you have. You'll likely see a contact slider that allows you to scale your audience size up or down. If you're just starting out, this might mean selecting a lower number of contacts, and as you grow, you can always adjust this later. Once you've made your decision on both the plan and the number of contacts, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on the Upgrade button for the tier you've chosen. After that, you'll need to confirm your billing address. This step is essential because it ensures that your payment is correctly processed. Once you've filled in your billing information, click Continue to Payment. Here's where you'll enter your payment details. If you're like many users, you might choose to input your credit card information, or you can opt for PayPal if that's more convenient for you. Just enter the necessary details as prompted. After you've filled in your payment information, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Once everything looks good, you can finalize the switch. Click the Confirm button and voila! You've successfully upgraded your Mailchimp plan. Congratulations! You're all set to enjoy the additional features that come with your new plan. Remember, if you need to revisit your options in the future, you can always follow the same steps to make adjustments as your business grows and changes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful for upgrading your Mailchimp plan. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video so that you can stay updated with more tips and tricks like this. Have a great day.